What's up, guys? Welcome back. Hope you guys are doing well. So I've been having this weird issue recently. It just popped up a few days ago, and apparently I'm not the only one. I noticed a lot of people are facing this exact same problem. So I wanted to make a quick video on this. If you're having the same issue, this should hopefully fix it for you. Alright, so I've been recording a lot of Subnautica stuff lately, and I have never had any issues playing these files back before. But let me show you what happens now. When I click on a video, when it's media player is main thing, it gives me this error right away. Now you might think you need to go ahead and download extra codec or with not. But let's try this simple fix that I found online. We are going to settings by clicking on the start menu, then go there. All right, here's what we're going to do. After that, we're going to apps and search for the media player. We'll find media player from the list. All right, click on the three dots and select advanced option and hit reset or repair. Let's try it and see if it works. Okay, let's try opening this video again, and there we go. It works perfectly. So ridiculous how these random bugs happen. Anyway, if you are having the same problem, exactly how you fix it. If this helps you out, drop a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.